This is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It has a super fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, superior durability with Corning Gorilla armor and a titanium frame, and a 200 megapixel camera. The Galaxy S24 Ultra with Galaxy AI brings a range of mobile AI features to help you connect better. Let's take a look at some of the Galaxy AI features. With Circle to search, simply circle an image, video, or text on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to get Google search results. Whether it is on your browser, on social media, messaging app, or in front of you, circle it and get answers. Struggling to get the right tone for a message? Chat Assist can elevate your messaging experience by suggesting different tones for your message. Chatting to a friend who doesn't speak your language? With AI Live Translate, you can get two-way real-time interpretations during calls and messages. With Web Assist, you can get instant summaries of articles when you don't have the time to read a long article. Notes can get messy, but thanks to Note Assist, your notes can be easily formatted into a clear, easy-to-review summary. Get transcripts from your voice recordings thanks to Recording Assist and Transcript Assist. With Photo Assist, you can use Galaxy AI editing tools to erase, recompose, and remaster images. And with Generative Edit, fill in parts of an image with Generative AI. When an object needs to be moved or an image straightened, AI generates a perfectly blended background. Life just got easier with the Galaxy S24 Ultra.